Okay, boys, in English, we have started a story that is about five friends and the elephant yesterday. Today, we are going to continue the same story. So, this story is from India. In this story, we have five blind friends. What is the meaning of blind friends, boys? Means who cannot see. First time in their village or in their land, a man brought his elephant. All the people in the village got very excited. And also, these five friends, they went to the elephant man and asked him, "Can we meet your elephant, please?" As you people know that they cannot see the elephant, so they use their other five senses to know the world and the elephant. So the first friend touched the tail of the elephant and it felt like a long rope. The second and a friend touched the side of the elephant that was like a wall. The third friend touched the leg and that feels like strong tree. The fourth friend touched the ear that was like a giant fan. And the fifth friend touched the trunk of the elephant that felt like snake. So all then they went to the animal elephant person. They told the man told them that all of you are right, my friends. My elephant has many different parts, and each part feels different. Why don't you help me take care of my elephant? You can get to know the elephant better. So the elephant man asked for from these five friends to help them in taking care of his elephant. And in the meanwhile, they can know about the elephant more and more. The elephant smells like a horse. The elephant has a loud voice. The elephant likes the tastes of apples. We like this elephant. So the five friends help the man take care of the elephant. They learn many interesting things. Now, these are the interesting things that they learned when they were taking care of the elephant. First of all, what was the smell of elephant? The elephant smells like a horse. Elephant smells like horse. The elephant has a loud voice. The voice of the elephant is very loud. The elephant likes the taste of apples, and we like this elephant. With the passage of time, they have developed the liking feeling for the elephant. As the time passed by, they started loving the elephant and they learned many interesting things about the elephant. Okay, five friends and the elephant. You can see the five friends here. They cannot see because they are wearing glasses means they cannot see. They are blind. They are touching different parts of the elephant. The first one is touching the tail. The second one is touching the side. The third one is touching the leg of the elephant. The fourth one is touching the ear of the elephant. And the fifth one is touching the trunk of the elephant. So vocabulary in this topic was rope, ROPE, rope. We have written this yesterday, rope, R-O-P-E, rope. This is rope. Wall. His side of the elephant was like a wall. You can see the wall. This is the picture of wall. W-A-L-L, wall. Tree, tree. So first we have studied rope, wall, tree, giant fan, big fan, and a snake. His trunk was like a snake. Okay, which part feels like a wall? Who is going to tell me which parts feel like a wall? Raise your hands and I'm going to. Yes, Abudi is going to answer. A wall. Which side
Side,
of the elephant
side,
felt like a wall?
side,
Side of the elephant felt like a wall. The side of the elephant felt like a wall. Okay, next boy. Albara Majid.
rope tail,
A rope. A rope felt like a rope. Which part of the body?
tail,
Tail. The tail of the elephant was like a rope. Okay, next boy. Turkey.
yes,
Snake. Which part of the body of the elephant felt like a snake?
is
Trunk of the elephant felt
trunk,
like the nose of the
trunk,
elephant. This trunk of the elephant felt like a snake.
neck,
Okay, next boy. Abdulaziz is going to tell us which part of the body felt like a tree. Which part of the body felt like a tree, Abdulaziz? Yes,
side, side,
the tree or the leg of the elephant felt like a
see,
tree.
see, lick,
Okay, and the last one, a giant fan. What felt
ear,
like a giant fan?
ear,
Ear. The ear of the elephant felt like
ear,
a giant fan. Understood, boys?
yes,
Okay, coming back to the exercise. Find these words in the story and to friend they. So this is your homework, boys. What you have to do, find these words and circle them in the story. When you are reading the story, what you are going to do, you are going to underline these words. Parts of the elephant. Which part of the elephant feels like a wall? Now we have done it. Wall. Which part of the elephant body felt like a wall? Side. A rope. His tail. A snake is like his trunk. Tree, his leg. And a giant fan is his ear. Understood? Understood, boys? Complete this. Okay, moving on to the next question. That is, what happened the first, second, and the third in the story? What you have to do here in question number 3, you have to arrange. 5 friends touch different parts of the elephant. 5 friends help the man take care of the elephant. The 5 friends hear about the elephant they want to meet. So which was the first one? What happened first? This. The five friends heard about the elephant. Number two, the five friends touch different parts of the elephant. This is number two. And the third one is the five friends help the man take care of the elephant. Number three. One, two, and three.